Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you fine. Children, in previous class, we have completed up till 3.2. Yes, what did we learn? About our common names and special names. Special names are called proper nouns. Yes, we have learned. Did you all remember that? I told you to write homework also. Have you done your homework? Okay. Next, 3.2 also we have done, no? What is the 3.2? About male and female gender. You all know who are male and who are female. Okay? Male are all men. Okay? Female are all ladies, girls. Okay? So next we are doing 3.3. All of you open your workbooks. Exercise 3.3. Did you all open? Okay. Children, look into your books. Fill in the blanks with the correct male or female nouns. Now you have to complete the table given. Okay? All the male and female. Wherever male blank is there, you have to write male blank there. What is that will come opposite to female. Understood? So, one is done for you. First one is brother. Brother is male. Female is sister. Yes, brother, sister. Did you got it? Second one, peacock. Peacock, what is that? Peahen. What is the female? Peahen. Peacock, peahen. Grandfather, grandmother. Bull, cow. Actor, actress. Prince, princess. Okay children? Peacock, peahen. Okay. Grandfather, grandmother. You have to write in blanks. Complete the blank. If see here, brother is given. Answer in dash already given, that is sister. Peacock, you have to write for peacock is male means peahen is female. You have to write in the blank peahen, P-E-A-H-E-N, peahen, female. Okay. Then dash is given, here grandmother is given in female. Okay. In male what will come? Grandfather. Okay. Bull. Bull is male. In this dash female, you have to write cow. Okay. Next. Dash is given, actress is given. Female actress is given. What is male here? Actor. What's here? Female princess. What's the male gender? Prince. Did you all got it? Brother, sister. Peacock, peahen. Grandfather, grandmother. Bull, cow. Actor, actress. Prince, princess. Male and female genders. Okay children, did you got it? Next one. Exercise 3.4. Okay, see your books, workbooks. Read the passage and complete the table. Okay, one is done for you. Children, you have to read the passage and you have to underline the proper nouns and tick the common nouns. Then it will become easy for you to complete the table. Okay, first one. Once there lived a little girl named Luca. Okay, once there lived a little girl named Luca. She asked her father, Dan. Okay, she asked her father, Dan, if she could visit her grandfather. If she could visit her grandfather. Yes, you can, her father said. Be careful. Be careful. And take your sister with you. And take your sister with you. Once there lived a little girl named Luca. She asked her father, Dan, if she could visit her grandfather. Yes, you can, her father said. Okay, be careful and take your sister with you. Who said? Father said. Okay, in this passage, I will tell you what are proper nouns. What are proper nouns? the special names. Who are they special there? That girl named Luca and father named Dan. Okay, Dan, Luca and Dan. Underline Luca and Dan. Everybody underline proper noun Luca and Dan. Okay, and now we have to take common names. That is father. Tick there father, grandfather. Father, grandfather. Okay, next sister. Sister. Okay, then girl. Tick girl, sister. Is it clear? Now you write down in your table. See the table and write down. Proper nouns are Dan and Luca. You have to write Dan and Luca in proper noun. In common noun you write down father, grandfather, girl, sister. Okay? And in male place only. In male place only you have to write father, grandfather, and here girl, sister in female. Okay children? I think all of you understood. Okay? Now complete your work. Okay children, have you all finished up till 3.4? Children, next part. All of you see writing part. See writing part. Okay. Jumbled sentences. The sentences are jumbled. See there. The given sentences are all mixed up. Okay. Rewrite them in the correct order. Sentences are wrong given there. And we have to correct the sentence. Before we have done jumbled letters and jumbled words, isn't it? Now sentences are jumbled here. We have to correct the sentence. Meaning, correct meaning should come in that sentence. Okay? Okay. Remember that each sentence should begin with a capital letter. We have to remember that each and every sentence, then we correct the jumbled sentences, it should start with capital letters only. Understood? So, and we should complete the sentence and keep full stop also. Okay? Begin with capital letter and should end with full stop. Okay, first one see, already it's done there. Early Diwali, up on we wake. Is there any meaning in that sentence? No. So the words have been jumbled there. Okay. So what we will write? We wake up early on Diwali. We wake up early on Diwali. Got it? Okay. Then second one. I go to the market to the flowers. Buy. What's that there? Anything meaning is there? No. What you have to write there? I go to the market to buy flowers. I go to the market to buy flowers. Second. Third one. Flowers we house with decorate our. What's that? Answer. We decorate our house with flowers. Okay. Decorate spelling what? D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E. Decorate. D, C-O-R-A-T-E, rate. Decorate. Okay. Decorate our house with flowers. Okay. Next, fourth one. Clothes everyone new ways. How you have to correct? Everyone wears new clothes. Everyone wears new clothes. Okay. Next one. We candles and light diyas evening in the. What is that? What is that, children? We light candles and diyas in the evening. Okay. Next one. Children, I, all of you read I, G-O-Go, T-O-2, T-H-E the, M-A-R mark, K-E-T ket, market, T-O-2, V-U-Y by, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. I go to the market to buy flowers. W-E-V, D-E, de, C-O-O-R-A-T-E, decorate. O-U-R, our, H-O-U-S-E, house, W-I-T-H, with, flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. We decorate our house with flowers. E-V-E-R-Y, every, O-N-E-one, everyone, W-E-A-R-S, wears, N-E-W, new, C-L-O-T-H-E-S, clothes, new clothes. Everyone wears new clothes. W-E-V-L-I-G-S-T, light, C-A-N-D-L-E-S, candles, A-N-D, and D-I-Y-A-S, diyas. We light candles and diyas, I-N-N, T-H-E, the, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Okay, we light candles and diyas in the evening. Okay, children. Next bit. See, naming parts and action parts of sentences. See a book, all of you. A sentence has two parts. Each and every sentence has two parts. One is naming part and the other is the action part. Okay. Naming part means what your names, who is doing that. That becomes naming part, and the work that person is doing becomes the action part. Okay. See, the naming part tells us who or what the sentence is about whom we are going to learn or know, that is naming part. The action part tells us what the meaning part does. Action part means what the naming part does. Okay. Okay, children, you have to circle the naming part and underline the action part. The dog barked at the girl. Okay. First one, the dog you have to circle and barked at the girl, action part. So you have to underline. Already it's done for you. So second one, the two girls are singing a song. What's naming part? The two girls is naming part. Circle that. And are singing a song, action part. What they are doing means they are singing. So underline that. Okay. My father is cooking dinner in the kitchen. My father is naming part and is cooking. What he is doing? Cooking dinner in the kitchen. That you have to underline because it is the action part. Okay. Woodpeckers, naming part. Woodpeckers circle and makes holes in trees. What they are doing? Naming persons, what they are doing? They are making holes. Woodpeckers are making holes. So making holes is the action part. So you have to underline making holes in trees. Next one. The cat ran after the mouse. Who is running after the mouse? The cat. What the cat is doing? Action part? Running. Okay. It ran after the mouse. Underline ran after the mouse. Okay, children. Do it, complete your 4.2 exercise. Okay. On the board I have written, you can do. Okay children, have you all completed 4.1 and 4.2 also? So your homework is, you have to write down exercise 4.1, question answer, question answer, question answer. 5 question and answers one time. Okay, keep exercise 4.1. First you have to write the lesson name, date, and then you write the exercise 4.1 homework, question answer. Okay, you have to correct the sentence, no? So you have to write question also. Question and answer you have to write. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. That's all. This is your homework in your homework notebook. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.